You may have noticed a steady stream of new videos coming from us here at Twyford Classic Cars. For years we've been posting content onto our website with regular workshop updates, and these have proved incredibly popular. As a result, we've had a lot of requests and questions from all you guys out there. Some of these don't transfer well to the written format. So in response to this, we're launching a series of videos. These videos will include tips, tricks, and useful hints to get the most out of your Classic Jaguar, along with the occasional opinion piece. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you got any burning questions, tips you need, or anything you've ever wondered about classic car restoration or the world of Classic Jaguars? Drop us something in the comments. I'll do my best to get back to you or even create a video on the topic. In the meantime, if you'd like to know more about Twyford Classic Cars, what we do here, and have a look around our workshop, please watch the workshop tour video we did a while ago. And don't forget, please like, subscribe and follow to keep up to date with all our upcoming videos. Thank you.